How to make a business activity statement on Xero. Need to prepare a BAS in Xero? Here's step-by-step guide to lodging your business activity statement. Make sure your GST tax rates are set up correctly. So to do this, go ahead and head over into the accounting tab and then select accounting settings and then scroll down from here and select manual tax rates. So this ensures invoices and expenses are tracked for BAS reporting. So click on this new tax rate button to add a new tax rate, name it, and add components. Now, reconcile your bank transactions. Every sale and purchase must be matched so your BAS reflects accurate GST totals. Go to reports and then under this select GST or BAS return, and Xero automatically compiles sales, purchases, and GST collected or paid. Review the figures. If adjustments are needed, for example, manual corrections or exempt transactions, edit before finalizing. You can lodge directly with the ATO if connected, or export the BAS report as PDF or Excel and submit via the ATO portal. Xero makes BAS preparation simple. Set up GST, reconcile, generate, review, and lodge. It saves time and reduces errors.